Hello! Today we'll learn how to manage our projects and create unlimited documents and folders, also known as projects, under LongShot AI. LongShot AI offers different modes for projects, private mode and team mode. Projects saved in team mode can be accessed by your team members, while those saved in private mode are accessible only to you. We're currently in private mode, as you can see with the team mode turned off. Now, let's navigate to projects by clicking here. Go to Manage Projects. To create a new project, click on the New Project icon. Enter the project's name, like AI Tools. We can add a project description, for instance, AI Tools for Content Writing, and then click on Create Project. Once created, select the project, and it will change to AI Tools. All content created using LongShot AI features will now be saved in the AI Tools project. If we want to move any previously created documents to this new folder, we simply go to our past project. Currently, this folder is empty, so let's navigate to our previous project and go to Documents. Choose any blog post, click on the three dots, and then select Move to Project. Pick the project where you want to move it, such as AI Tools. Click on Move. Let's verify if our document has been moved to the AI Tools project. To check this, we'll return to Manage Projects, select AI Tools, and look in the docs. As expected, it's there. This technique also applies to team mode. All documents created in team mode are accessible to all team members. Managing projects works the same way in both modes. You can move your projects from private to team mode or vice versa within LongShot. That concludes our tutorial on managing your projects efficiently in LongShot AI. Thank you.